Hey everybody, welcome to Phoenix Roots Gardening. My name's Adam Faulkner and I'm going to show you how to create a lush landscape like I have behind me here in my backyard here in Phoenix, right here in the heart of the Sonoran Desert. You know, 3 years ago when I started this journey, I had a lot of things I learned about. I had plants that survived, I had plants that didn't survive. I learned a lot from the Facebook groups and a lot of the local nurseries around here. And I want to help you get off to a great start so that you too can create a peaceful landscape like this where not only you can harvest fruits and vegetables, but just have a place where you can get some nice good shade. You know, when I started this around 3 years ago, this is what my yard looked like. As you can see, it's just a lot of grass, a lot of pavers, not a whole lot of plants. And all that heat coming off the block walls and all the heat coming off the pavers at night really doesn't help us cool down here in the Sonoran Desert. So you either got to add a pool or you got to throw up some plants and trees to help block the block wall and the sun coming in and hitting that quote unquote rock mulch that we see everywhere out here. So follow me for more. I'm going to give you a tour of the garden in just a second. I'll even name a few plants along the way in the video just so you have an idea of what's possible. And each week I'm going to showcase a plant that I've grown here personally so that you can do the same. We grow anything from guavas to Barbados cherries to Hawaiian papayas and so much more. So I can't wait to teach you more of that in the subsequent videos to come. So follow me and let's go on this journey together and let's help you build a garden that'll bring you fruit, vegetables, and an immense amount of peace. Let's take a tour.